175 degrees F.
Okay. So that's what we should do?
Yes.
Okay.
Cookie. Place cookie dough round about 2 inches apart and on your cookie sheet. Bake 8 to 10 minutes until eggs are light golden brown. Do not over bake. Cool. A minute before removing the cookie sheet.
Okay. So let's open the box.
Okay, Kate. I'll open it right here.
Let's see what the picture is of the cookies we're making today. Can you turn it over and see the big picture?
Okay, Kate. Flag.
What is that?
Flags.
It's a flag. You know why we're making flags today?
Why?
Because this weekend we're celebrating the 4th of July.
I know. My mommy doesn't know, or my daddy doesn't.
Really?
Yes.
But you know what? There's a chance we might be able to go watch fireworks somewhere.
Well, I don't like fireworks.
You don't like fireworks? You know what? No, it doesn't
too
either.
loud.
That's true.
For me, too. We go and double at Disney World so we don't hear the fireworks.
Okay.
Because they're really, really loud.
What do you think, Kate? Kate, say, Happy 4th of July. Hello?
I can't open this.
Where's Kate? Okay. Now I have
She's
to.
right here.